Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord error. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process, so let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is we have to make sure that Discord is not running in the background of our system. So right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. And from here, you want to make sure that your Discord is not running. So as you can see, I have my Discord running right here in my Task Manager. So click on your Discord and click on End Task. And after that, you want to make sure that the Discord is not running anymore. So you want to scroll down a bit, and as you can see, it's not running anymore. So it's all now good. So the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to press the Windows button and R button on our keyboard. And from here, you're going to type up data. So from here, once you're done, you click on OK. And from here, you want to go into roaming. And now you want to find the Discord folder right here. As you can see, there's a Discord right here, and you want to delete it. Right click, then delete. And after that, then you can go back and go into local this time. So go here, local, and find the Discord folder again. Right here, Discord, and right click again and delete it right there. And then after that, you can just go and close this right here. But as you can see, I didn't delete a folder because I'm just showing you how to do it, and as I am currently not facing any problems with my Discord. So after you have done that, then you can just reinstall your Discord. So to do that, you want to go into your browser, and from here go into discord.com right here, and you can click here on download for Windows or whatever device you are using. So click on it, and you would have it popped up right here. So you need to start download, and after that, you would not need to run this after you have finished downloading and install it in your computer. And then you can test out if there is still a JavaScript error. Then if there is still, then it's most probably because of your antivirus. So what you want to do is disable your antivirus first and make sure that you have enough admin privileges to install Discord in your computer. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.